Oh my, welcome. We are taking off the steering wheel and putting a steering wheel, a quick release steering wheel.
Here you go, boys, girls. NRG innovations.
Having some trouble here, mate. I just can't find the bolt, unless it's too big.
Do you want a shorter one? I don't know.
A smaller one.
Let's put that right there. NRG wheel. We got the adapter, quick release here, and some Maruchan. Yeah, definitely gonna eat that later. You know, us car boys are broke sometimes. You know, we're always on a budget, so we're gonna always have to eat ramen. As he's doing that, I'm gonna back away a little bit. This is a 325i BMW E46 4-door. Yes, 4-door, I know. Okay, so we did end up getting the wheel off after some technical difficulties of trying to find a location of the torque bolt. But yeah, we did it. So as we wait for our delivery for some Loctite, he's gonna clean it. Whoa, man. Okay, looks like we got it in.
No, let's tighten it more.
Gotta get that star pattern down. It extends out so much farther.
It does, so we need to push in the steering.
Yeah. This is the first test.
Wow.
Ooh. I guess give it a start.
Oh god.
Oh man, that pulley is bad, bro. Yeah, bro. Man, that sounds mean. But that pulley though. Okay, cool. Easy install.